ground. President Biden approved emergency declarations for Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and Connecticut. Goodness, this video. Millions were told to evacuate their coastal homes or shelter in place as heavy wind and rain battered the coastline. Flash flood watches remain in place as Henri continues barreling up the East Coast. And there's another weather alert tonight. Catastrophic flooding in Middle Tennessee has claimed at least 22 lives. Dozens more are still missing in Humphreys County. Record rains washed away homes and rural roads. The Humphreys County Sheriff, Chris Davis, says more than 30 people have been reported missing, many in neighborhoods where the water rose the fastest. The sheriff expects the death toll to rise. And Christiana Ramos with us tonight. Watching these pictures, Christiana, the forecasters say they had 17 inches of rain there in Middle Tennessee in one day.
And that's the most that they've ever gotten on record, according to the National Weather Service, in a 24-hour span. So it's just been weather news all across the country. Arizona's been getting lots of flooding over there this summer. Over here, though, it has been pretty quiet, hot and dry conditions, clear skies out there right now. We're not seeing any rain on radar. Current temperatures in Orange, 82, 78 in Port Arthur, 82 up towards Kirbyville and Silsbee, 83 in Woodville, 79 in Jasper. Across the state, pretty quiet overall, and that's because of high pressure. It's really what's controlling our weather pattern. That's why we're going to see above normal high temperatures. We're going to be in the middle 90s, low 90s is where we should be, around 93 for our normal high this time of year. High pressure is going to project off towards the north, and we're going to see a few disturbances roll through the area middle of the week. That's going to kick off a good afternoon scattering of showers and storms. But what we're going to be paying attention to as we head into the end of the week is this area of high pressure coming in from our east. It looks pretty strong, and the reason why I'm pointing this out is because any tropical system that wants to make its way into the Gulf of Mexico, this area of high pressure is going to steer it away from our area, and that's exactly what models are showing. They're showing something developing in the Gulf of Mexico, but it is steering off towards the south of us. So it looks like this is the Euro. It could impact some portions of Brownsville. Again, this is too far out, whether it's going to be a hurricane or a tropical storm, but it is something that we could keep an eye out as we head into the end of the week and early next week. So we are seeing right now over our area the next couple of days, no tropical disturbances that is going to impact us. We are seeing clear skies as we head into the overnight hours, and those temperatures will be dropping down into the middle and lower 70s as we head into tomorrow morning, already reaching the 80s by 9. So it's going to be warm and humid. And then as we head into lunchtime, already in the lower 90s, we will be in the middle 90s for our high temperatures, and those heat indices again reaching the triple digits. So make sure you stay hydrated, keep cool out there. And then as we head off into the evening, those temperatures dropping back down into the upper 80s. Tropical depression Henri, we're seeing that remnant low there just right over Connecticut. So most of the rain, though, it's off towards New Jersey, New York, and portions of Pennsylvania right now. So this is going to continue to move off toward right through Massachusetts as we head into late Monday, sustaining 30-mile-per-hour winds. So it will remain in as a tropical depression, and it's going to continue to move off the coast of Maine. So it doesn't look like it's going to impact Maine according to this track right now. So it looks like it could produce some heavy rainfall for New Hampshire, though. And this tropical wave here, disorganized showers, very low chances of developing. So nothing that we're tracking out in the tropics right now. Mostly smooth seas out on the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow, 1 to 2 feet. Southwest winds up to 5 knots. We will see high tides at 6 a.m. and 4:01 p.m. So overall, just a gorgeous day to be out on the coast, and a gorgeous night for us here in Southeast Texas. It's going to be a little sticky out there because of the humidity, and we will be in the middle and low 70s as we head into tomorrow's forecast. Mostly sunny, hot and dry summer day out there. That's going to persist into Tuesday, and then we're going to start to see a kick off of scattering showers and storms, but that'll cool us down as we end our week off in the lower 90s.
And by then, our yards may need a drop or two of rain.
They definitely will, and but next couple of days, nice to go get a car wash maybe.
That's right.
I always like to throw that in there because I have these like trees, they have these little berries that always, every time I get a car wash, they like to drop on my car, and then it makes my car all sticky.
The berries and the birds.
Yeah, and the birds.
Thank
it's
you.
like they know you get a car wash,
Right.
and then they're like, all right, let's mess it up.
Thank you, Christiana.